Welcome, future hospitality leaders. Today we're diving deep into the online world that keep our industry running smoothly, the web and the internet. So fasten your digital seatbelts and let's go, get connected.
Hi, I'm Chloe. I love serving up ideas as much as I love serving up dishes.
Hi, I'm Shimi, making connections online and the dining hall.
And I'm CA. Together, we'll show you how the web can turn chaos into hospitality harmony. Here's what's on today's digital menu. First, understanding the web and the internet. Second, why they matter in hospitality. Third, practical real-world uses. And lastly, key takeaways and insights.
By the end of this session, you'll be able to tell the difference between the web and the internet. Next, discover these tools enhance hospitality services and use online platforms to improve guest experiences.
Think of the internet as a huge network of highways and the web as a cars driving on them. The internet connects millions of devices while the web delivers information we search, stream, and scroll through.
In hospitality, the web is a game changer. Imagine running a hotel without online booking. Chaos, right? Sites like Booking.com or Airbnb streamline reservations, making life easier for both staff and guests.
Digital menus and ordering systems aren't just trendy, they are efficient. Less time taking orders, more time ensuring great service.
And let's not forget guest feedback. Reviews on TripAdvisor or Google can make or break your reputation. A few clicks can build trust or destroy it.
Last summer, I worked in a cafe where Instagram boosted our sales. One viral post brought in more customers than any printed flyer ever could.
For me, this topic opened my eyes to how technology isn't replacing hospitality, it's enhancing it.
I realized that understanding digital platforms is now as important as knowing how to set a table. And as future professionals, it's our job to stay connected, literally and figuratively.
Let's recap. The internet connects the world while the web delivers the content we need. For hospitality pros, it means smoother bookings, better service, and a stronger online presence.
Here are the top 10 important words: internet, web, browser, server, booking, digital menu, marketing, reviews, connectivity, and hospitality.
Before we log off, here are a few questions to think about. 1. What is the difference between the web and the internet? 2. How can BSH and professionals use online tools in their work? And 3. Why do guest reviews matter so much?
Thank you for joining us online and offline. Stay connected, stay hospitable. Today, we're diving deep into the online world that keep our Let's recap. The internet connects the Stay connected, stay hospitable.
Here's what's on
The web and the... Napagod.
Na para bang
Louie, ano?
Be, ano yan, B?
Ito naman. Before we log off, here are my...
She got me going psycho. Eh?